So here is my top 5 Christmas gifts for that special photographer or content creator in your life. So first thing on the list is the Peak Design Capture Clip. And this thing is freaking sweet because you're able to actually mount this onto your camera backpack straps. And it also comes with this plate that you attach to the bottom of your camera. Now once you've got this plate attached, and once you've got this on your camera backpack straps or even your belt, all you essentially do is just slide that in there and it's now secured, and this can actually hold up to 200 pounds. So yeah, you're basically traveling with your camera like this, easy access at all times. It also has this button here on the side that you just click and slide it out, and there you go, you're ready to take more photos. Number 2 on the list is going to be batteries. Now batteries are extremely important to us photographers and content creators, and you will be surprised at how fast one battery will actually die. In fact, I actually typically go around 3 to 4 batteries on a full 8-hour day of a wedding, and sometimes even then I have my batteries recharging just in case. Oh, and by the way, my biggest recommendation when it comes to batteries is to not buy a generic brand. Those are going to die a lot faster and they won't be as reliable as the original batteries. All right, and the next one is storage. Now storage is extremely important, and there's 2 different types. First one is going to be your SD cards or express cards. These are the ones that go into your camera. And just so you know, they make these in different storage sizes, anything from like 32 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. And everyone does shoot differently. Some people like to use slower storage cards, or some others like to use higher storage. Personally myself, I like shooting on high storage because I do photos and video, but it's really up to preference. And the second piece of storage is going to be external hard drives. Now these are going to be used more so for storing a lot of photos or videos, but the difference is that this is an external SSD. That means that these are extremely fast and reliable. So this next one is on the pricier side, and this is an on-camera flash. Now personally myself, I like to use the Flashpoint from Adorama, but if you're looking on Amazon, this would essentially be a Godox V1. Again, it's on the pricier side, but these are essential to photographers when it comes to wedding photography, even commercial work like food. Oh, and by the way, what's really cool about this one is that it actually has a rechargeable battery that goes in here, and most flashes actually don't have rechargeable batteries. You actually have to put in, you know, like AA or AAA, whatever size they use, but not this one. It's a rechargeable one, makes it even better. The last item on my list is extremely important when it comes to creating online content or commercial work as well, and that is continuous lights for video. Now, I'm currently lighting myself in this video with the LumeCube Studio Panel lighting kit. What's really neat about this kit is that it comes with 2 lights, it comes with barn doors, it comes with light stands, a travel bag, and also a charger for your lights, so you don't ever really need to have wires running around your room unless the lights need some juice. Oh, and by the way, let me tell you a little secret. I can actually get you a discount on anything that LumeCube sells. All you gotta do is just check the description down below, use my code at checkout, so don't miss out on getting that special person on your life some really cool camera gear. They'll love you forever, I promise.